Top 5
Best energy pills. Number 1. No Most Korean Red Panax. This package does not only provide you the extra kick to your training session, but also will help you to reduce anxiety, improving concentration, boosting memory, and finally will improve your eyesight. Unlike most other pills, these pills achieve all vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO certification because of including ginkgo biloba and Asian ginseng. It improves overall brain functionality and ensures efficient blood circulation. Number 2. Smarter Vitamin 200 mg Caffeine Pills. It comes with the perfect combination of 3 synergetic natural elements. One of those is caffeine from green coffee beans, which will enhance your focus, energy, and overall mental responsiveness. The other component is caffeine from L-theanine, which will boost your overall cognitive performance and eliminate all the side effects that caffeine usually triggers. Number 3. Jet Factory Burn XT. The Burn XT is an energy pill that produces heat in the body through metabolic stimulation. Each of the individual capsules comes packed with an appropriately measured combination of extremely active ingredients. The other 2 highlighted elements are green tea extract and caffeine. These 2 will increase energy, the responsiveness of muscles, and enhances the fat burning process. It comes with 60 pills. Number 4. Vital Vitamins Brain Booster. These pills come packed with ingredients that will not only provide you energy but will also enhance your mental clarity and focus, reduce fatigue, improve brain health, enhances memory, and many more. Moreover, with highly efficient nootropics, you will get enhanced cognitive functionality. Also, with that, it will improve your logical processing efficiency. You will be able to focus more on your exercise session and get more gains out of it. Number 5. Thyroid Support Supplement. There are a plethora of supplements in the market that you can only increase energy, but is also capable of enhancing other functionalities of the body. This product is one of them. With this jar of pills, you will be able to achieve a healthy thyroid. Besides, you will get the metabolism support and optimal hormones releases. Eventually, it will result in getting adequate sleep and you will have more energy at the start of the day.
To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.